Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe.
And hit the like button.
Okay, so we're opted for Fisherman's Wharf. So this is the bus. And it looks like it goes from the bus to the ferry terminal. So there's a couple of them here, shuttle buses. So if you're trying to get here, you can take a shuttle bus, and this is what it looks like. It goes to Rocks Hotel and a couple other ones. And we're just gonna go down through this back alley, and then we're gonna be right into the middle of everything. And I don't know if you want to see this back alley or not. There's a bank that's probably never used. Maybe used by tourists or hotel guests, I guess. So we're just gonna see what's in here. Parking, 2 miles per hour. Probably just heard the helicopter up there. The helicopter goes back and forth between here and Hong Kong, so some people take that. And we're gonna keep on going. Got some kind of crazy building here. I think this is called Babylon, I think. Yeah, Babylon Casino. And then once you get past this, it's a really trippy looking building though, isn't it? You can see the reflection. So, okay, so we're gonna walk into, there's Flamingo right here, and you're gonna see a lot of interesting buildings here. I'll try to explain a little bit of what they are. They're more like facades than anything. Like, I wish you could do much in that building, but you can't do much. But they have some food trucks here now, and there's lots of tourists always. Let me see, International Culture and Food Festival. So last week, I was here maybe a week or two ago, and there was, this is pretty cool right here, big ducks and kind of New Orleans architecture. I was here maybe 2 weeks ago, and there was, I guess that must have been the festival. I thought it was maybe the norm now, but there was food all lined up and down, the street. You might have saw it in one of my other videos recently. This was last weekend, I think, 2 weeks ago maybe. You see this door is open. Usually there's nothing up there. It's like facades, and it looks like it's a small little room. You can't see it very well, but I can see a small door. Like basically it's just kind of for show. But again, like, these things would be amazing if you could actually. This is kind of cool. This pink right here. It'd be cool if you could actually stay, like, actually this one here is a restaurant up here, and that one you can actually go up there and eat food. And we're just gonna go check out some of the statues. Yeah, so this one is actually a restaurant, but a lot of them are not. These are like little food trucks. If you think of the prices, it's very expensive. If I try to get a Coca-Cola in here, there's something like 25 mop, 30 mop sometimes. Best case scenario is like 20 mop. But if you go to a vending machine just outside of here, it's like 4 mop, 4 patakas. So quite a big difference. This has some of the best Brazilian food in the city, and I think they also have some musicians who come down here too sometimes. Brazilian cuisine, Rio. So, oh wow, got all the tourist monks here. It's kind of a cool looking building too. So I guess they're coming on tour, maybe from Thailand, I'm not sure. Hello. So we're just gonna, so yeah, I don't know. Get all kinds of tourists here. Yeah, it's a little bit sleepy today. This is kind of a rain guard, Chinese restaurant. And yeah, I don't know. Looks like they're setting up something here. So, okay, this is a nightclub, D3. Yeah, it's really unfortunate this is all a facade though. you can see like, I mean, you see that little thing right there, but it's like a big chunk of wall. And this one too, a big chunk of wall. It just kind of like fell off or something like that. I don't know. So it's kind of cool space. So okay. Actually, during the food festival, it was really crowded here. I thought maybe they try to rejuvenate the area by putting food trucks in here all the time, but maybe they should. So yeah, this is called Fisherman's Wharf. Gong Cha. Yeah, it's too bad that that thing is over with. And we're just gonna walk through it a little bit, and we'll at least you can kind of see what's all here. I probably did some videos here maybe 6 months ago, but and again maybe 2 weeks ago. But 2 weeks ago I had a different kind of camera, so the filming of that isn't as good as this camera. So I think this one you get a better feel. Chinese food. So, okay. So we're just gonna walk and see the ocean. So actually, at any of those buildings we could have walked over here and went to the pier, but you can't walk across it very easily, and you kind of can a little bit. You kind of have to go in and out. You go to the water and you can walk around a little bit, and then you have to go back in, and then you go back to another spot in the water. Water here. So, watering the plants. Okay. See a lot of tourists here. And the orange ferry over there is the ferry to Hong Kong. And we're gonna come up to this one little spot, and then we're going to kind of conclude in this video momentarily. But up here you can see this Coliseum. And this Coliseum, once I saw some pretty cool Muay Thai fights here. They set it up for tourists, which was great. And that's too bad that when they have an event here, it's a pretty beautiful place to be. But yeah, right now, today, it's really quiet. What else should I say about Macau? This is basically what it looks like here. And you can see all these tall buildings, and I think I'm going to walk down in this little space, and I'll conclude it when I think we've hit a loop. But for now, we'll just keep going. Okay, so camera overheated again. This is a brand new camera, so I don't know, maybe it's just like something about the GoPro 7s, they overheat or something. It overheated and turned off, and then my last one stopped working because of it, so I don't know. I don't really hear about, I don't know if I turn it on too much or what it is. So there's the big Coliseum right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And I think we're gonna conclude. I'm just gonna conclude it right in this spot. So yeah, this is called Fisherman's Wharf. And it's not so crowded today, but this is what it looks like, so there we go.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.